Right, guys, I'm doing this video on how to change the bulb unit for the halo rings or the daytime running lights on a BMW e90 2009 model, which is mine, and it's an LCI model. I have seen various videos on YouTube, essentially showing that you need to take off the jack up the car and take off the wheel, and then also the wheel arch panel, which is, to be honest, very time consuming. You're looking at hour and a half, depending on how experienced you are. I had problems with my daytime running lights, and I managed to find an easier solution, which only takes about 15 minutes maximum, I would say. This is what you need: a torque screw driver, this shape, T15, and that's for the screws that hold on the bulb. This is the bulb unit you need for the LCI models. You can also upgrade them to aftermarket bulbs, and so long as they're the right fittings, it's not a problem. This torque screw, it's from the end, from here to there, it's about 7.5 centimeters. And the reason why you need this tool, this costs about £2-3, excuse me, is so that you can have easy access. This is the unit you need to take off. As you can see, this is the bulb you need to take off. There's a screw here and a screw on that side, just there. Okay, as you can see, the reason why you need that shaped torque screw, its driver, is because of the tight sort of fitting in there. So this side, you just put it in and screw it. Obviously you need some patience, and on that side, because it's a bit of a tight squeeze, you can use this end here and take it, or like that. Okay, like I said, it does take patience, and only takes 15 minutes. As I already explained, there are various videos on YouTube that actually show how to replace them by jacking up the car, taking the wheel off, and also the wheel arch panels, and it can take up to hour 20 minutes minimum, depending on how experienced you are and obviously how patient you are. So as you can see, it is a straightforward procedure. It's not time consuming, and it's easily done. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll be uploading more videos in the near future. Thank you.